Fanya kazi yao, si mnajua vile wanga tunafanya.
Police in the border town of Namanga have seized bhang worth 2.5 million shillings, which was being ferried to Nairobi County. 2 suspects were arrested in connection with the seized bhang. The bhang was being carried in bags and hidden in the boot of a bus christened Kidia One Express, which was traveling from Salaam to Nairobi. The suspects are being held at the Namanga Police Station, awaiting to be arraigned. Police Commander Alex Shikondi has warned against the illegal cross-border business, saying police were alert.
We want to tell the smugglers out there, people who like to smuggle through Namanga border, that we'll get them, we'll catch them, and all prohibited items will be confiscated, and people will be prosecuted in court and taken to jail. That is the message that we want to send out there, that we want only legitimate trade to be facilitated through this border.
Tukishirikiana na watu wa K9, maofisa wetu wa National Police Service, walipata mzigo ambao haukueleweka. Kuangalia kwa makini, ni mzigo ambaye inakuwa suspected kama ni banki, ambayo iko na street value ya shilingi 2,502. Iko na 84 kilograms. Tayari washukia wawili wako ndani, wamezuiliwa. Basi pia itazuiliwa, uchunguzi inaendelea. Si wasasi, sana sana wale watoto wetu ambao wamemaliza shule, tuwafuatilie, kwa sababu wanaanza kutumika kwa usafirishaji wa hii madawa ya kulevya.
Border operators in Webuye